Find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region y equals x, y equals 0, x equals 2, x equals 6 about the line x equals 1. Remember, when we draw the graph, the x and the y-axis are help lines only. They are not part of the bounded region unless stated otherwise. Y equals 0 is the x-axis. The region bounded by these curves is the trapezoid shape. We then take this region and rotate it about the line x equals 1. If we rotate this region about the vertical line x equals 1, then we will have a hole inside the solid, and therefore we would use the washer method. Using the washer method, we will slice the solid perpendicular to the axis of rotation. So we will slice the solid perpendicular to the line x equals 1. From y equals 0 to y equals 2, the left is x equals 2 and the right is x equals 6. But from y equals 2 to y equals 6, the left is the line y equals x and the right is the line x equals 6. Volume by washer methods is pi outer radius squared minus pi inner radius squared times the thickness. But the thickness is delta y because we slice the cross-section perpendicular to the vertical line x equals 1, which is also perpendicular to the y-axis. We always measure the radius from the axis of rotation. So from y equals 0 to y equals 2, the outer radius from the axis of rotation, the larger radius that is the right minus the left, so it is 5. The inner radius is only from x equals 1 to x equals 2, and so the inner radius is 1. From y equals 2 to y equals 6, the outer radius is the distance from the axis of rotation to the outermost boundary, which is x right minus x left, or 6 minus 1, which is 5. The outer radius is 6 minus 1 equals 5. The inner radius is the distance from the axis of rotation to the innermost boundary, but from 2 to y equals 6, the innermost boundary is the line y equals x. So x right minus x left is now x, that is y equals x, minus the x on the left is the axis of rotation, x equals 1. From y equals 0 to y equals 2, the volume is the integral from y equal to 0, y equal 2, pi, the outer radius is 5, the inner radius is 1, dy. And from y equals 2 to y equals 6, the volume is pi, the integral from 2 to 6, the outer radius is 5, and the inner radius is x minus 1. The thickness is still delta y. But this is not good because the variable of integration is y. We need to express the integrand in terms of y as well, but y equals x, so x is y. Thus the total volume is pi, the integral from 0 to 2, 5 squared is 25, minus 1 squared, 24, dy, plus pi, the integral from 2 to 6. 5 squared is 25 minus, but again, we can't use x in the integrand because the variable of integration is y. But since y equals x, we can easily replace x with y.